this is my handmade. So my library is a box from Dollar Tree, glued on the one of these foam board, and let me show you the goodies. So there's a box. It opens up, it closes up, and oh no, I need it. I just take it out. So these are printables. They are not good. If I show you my covers, well, I mean, how to say, Huckleberry thing. So they're kind of fine. Not like crispy HD print, high definition. This is, I bought on AliExpress, I guess. Empty pages, and I have the entire collection there. Everything that we have in reality. We have Moments. We have Vinny. This is my daughter's favorite when she was a baby, like a Wizard of Oz. The Little Prince. And Pippin Longstocking. And Travel and Leisure. Plus Leisure. Then I have, let me see if they're gonna fit into my, I mean, I understand that you may not be happy with this shaky hand, but that's funny, right? So, this fell down. Okay, this is our children's library. And I also have some adult library. Oh, look at this. Beautiful. 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 Again, they are empty. That was from, they are a little bit taller than, this is a tall book from Mini Books. This one is a hardcover. And this is the tallest. And these are, let me introduce you, the erasers with the Dr. Seuss. So basically, this is my favorite book, or the books that used to look very nicely. And they do look good. I mean, the HD printing on the top and the pages and everything is good. It's not like and these guys are probably 1/12 size, but if you pay attention to the hand of our Jasmine Princess, she still can hold it. And you know, books can be different, right? So that works. Now, some more books. This one is Bible, Quran, and Torah. Like, wait, where are you? Can you see me? Wait, where is the? Oh, it absolutely doesn't work. Okay, so yeah, so Holy Bible, readable, guys, readable, like a real text all the way, every single page. The same with Bible in Chinese, all the way, every single page. Now we are taking Quran. We open from the back. Oh yeah, I'm not even sure that I have a Quran. I guess it's like that, right? So all the way to the end. Finally, we have Torah. I guess the same. All the way. Sorry for my. I mean, I'm not sorry for my fingers. These are working fingers, unoffended, because I'm doing so many things. Yeah, readable. The size. So here's the tallest book. Basically the same size as many brands, but these are real. I mean, can you imagine? This is a real thing. And then my daughter, asked me to buy her Harry Potter. This guy is a little bit taller, but yes, every single, same, the book is empty, but we have 7 of them. And here comes my invention. the inventive invention of pockets full of toys. Here is a catalog from Miniverse. I mean, they are perfect. Like, look at them pictures, right? They have perfect pictures. Page layout. I mean, that would be on the top of my desires if those collector's guides and catalogs they provide with the capsules, they can be actually recycled somehow into something more useful. And yes, I have more Dr. Seuss over here. These are different, kind of like a real. Okay, so these are real books in the paper. Looks like, you know, like mirror reflection of some book. Anyways, and now the second drawer. Oh, this like this one aged. I think if you ever paid attention to my shorts, these are aged, gold leafed, and not only that, but also the quality of the paper is a yellow, so they look like old. And if we compare this, let's say, and this is white paper, this one is yellow paper, aged paper. Anyway, so I found a very nice working method for me when I just produce bulks. I'm bulking books, I'm bulking my books. So when I do books in the bulk, and then I just can fill up all the shelves. Unfortunately, this is how it looks now because they fell down. And since they fell down, let me take a look at what the Príncipe Cruel is in Spanish. And I have more and more. How did I find them? How I find them on, just go through the Google search. It sends you directly to this Pinterest pages and some kind and nice people. Thank you very much. I use several artists. Are they artists or handmaders or crafters? So I use several people for making the book titles. So whoever has done that, thank you very much. Uploading everything online and sharing for free, I truly appreciate your labor, guys. It doesn't take too much time. It's actually a very fast process. If at some point, maybe when I feel crafty enough, I might go in like making those pages a little bit more, those books a little bit more elaborate. But so far, I like the way they look. And yes, I have one entire library, but and I'm happy that those cabinets, you can close them. I can close them, and everything is stored inside. Unfortunately, I just dropped a whole bunch of books on the floor. I guess after I finish filming, I'm gonna put everything back into. I'll start crawling on the floor, picking them up. Yeah. Yes. Putting library together. So, and now the question: whose BRB is the most educated? I have a feeling that we are we are approaching at least top 10 of educated Barbies. Because I personally grew up in the households with a whole bunch of books, like thousands. I remember when my parents moved from one house to another house, they told me that they decluttered books, and took only what they liked, and they were like 4,000. It was only what they liked after decluttering. And of course, it takes one entire room to accommodate those 4,000 books. That you have to have a spare room. But by that time, I already been adult and moved out, and I didn't really care about what they do with their stuff. But yeah, now I personally don't really have many books, and I prefer digital. But I still have kids, so of the book age, so we enjoy reading. But once they are out of the toddler age, I'm gonna get rid of. I'm gonna donate every single other book because now what you can read them online. You can actually listen to them, right? So audiobooks, you don't have to collect all the collection of. Although they're very cute and nice, and hardcover is really worth it. And plus, they are not $9.99, right?